Daily English Talks. Talking about yesterday.
Hey Mia, how was your day yesterday? You looked really busy when I saw you in the afternoon.
Oh, hey, Leo. Yeah, yesterday was such a long day for me. I barely had time to sit down and relax.
Really? What kept you so busy? You looked like you were running from one place to another.
Well, I had to finish my school project in the morning. Then I helped my mom with some grocery shopping.
That already sounds like a packed morning. Did you at least get to eat breakfast before all that?
Barely. I just grabbed a quick cup of coffee and a sandwich because I didn't want to be late for my meeting with my project group.
Oh, the one about environmental awareness, right? How did that go?
It went pretty well. We finalized our presentation slides and practiced our parts a few times to make sure everything sounded natural.
Nice. You're always so organized when it comes to schoolwork. I wish I had your level of focus.
Thanks, Leo. But trust me, I get distracted easily too. After lunch, I totally lost track of time watching videos online.
Ha, that makes me feel better. What kind of videos were you watching?
Mostly travel vlogs. There was this one about Japan that made me want to pack my bags and leave right away.
Oh, Japan sounds amazing. I'd love to go there someday, especially for the cherry blossom season.
Me too. The scenery looks magical. Anyway, what about you? What did you do yesterday?
Well, my morning was pretty chill. I slept in a little, then went jogging in the park to clear my head.
That sounds nice. The weather was perfect yesterday for a morning jog.
Yeah, it really was. The air felt fresh and there weren't too many people around, so it was peaceful.
I love mornings like that. Did you go alone or with your friends?
Just me this time. I like listening to music and enjoying some quiet time when I jog alone.
That actually sounds relaxing. What did you do after jogging?
I went to a small cafe near the park. I had pancakes and a cup of hot chocolate, my favorite weekend breakfast.
Yum! You always know the best cafes. What's the name of that place again?
It's called Maple Corner. They have this cozy atmosphere that makes you want to stay for hours.
Oh, I've heard of it. My friend went there last week and couldn't stop talking about their pancakes.
You should definitely try it sometime. We could even go together next weekend if you're free.
That sounds like a great idea. I'd love to. So, what did you do after breakfast?
I spent most of the afternoon helping my dad fix the garden fence. It was tiring, but kind of fun too.
That's nice. Working outdoors can be refreshing, especially with family.
Yeah, and we ended up talking about random things while working. It was a good bonding moment.
I love moments like that. Sometimes simple activities make the best memories.
Exactly. Then, after that, I took a shower and watched a movie before dinner.
Which movie did you watch?
The Secret Life of Walter Mitty. Have you seen it?
Oh, yes. That's such an inspiring movie. It makes you want to go on an adventure and chase your dreams.
Totally. It actually made me think about planning a short trip during the next school break.
That's awesome. Where would you want to go?
Maybe somewhere with mountains and lakes. A quiet place to relax and disconnect for a while.
That sounds perfect. Nature trips always help you feel recharged and calm.
Exactly. What about you? If you could go anywhere right now, where would it be?
Probably somewhere by the beach. I love the sound of waves and the feeling of sand under my feet.
Nice choice. The beach always gives that peaceful and free vibe.
Yeah, and watching the sunset by the sea is one of the most beautiful things ever.
Totally agree. Maybe we should plan a trip together. One day by the sea, one day in the mountains.
Haha, that would be an interesting combination. I'd be up for that.
Great. So how did you end your day yesterday?
After dinner, I just stayed in my room, listened to some soft music, and read a few chapters of a new novel.
That sounds peaceful. What book are you reading?
It's called The Midnight Library. It's about second chances and the choices we make in life.
Oh, I've heard of that one. I've been meaning to read it too. Is it good?
It's really good. Emotional, but meaningful. You should definitely give it a try.
I will. I love stories that make you reflect on life.
Same here. Reading before bed always helps me unwind after a busy day.
I usually end my day watching videos or playing guitar a bit before sleeping.
That's cool. Music before bed sounds like a great way to relax, too.
Yeah, it helps me clear my thoughts. So overall, it sounds like both of us had pretty productive days yesterday.
True. Even though it was busy, it felt satisfying in the end.
Exactly. It's nice to look back and realize you actually accomplished a lot in one day.
Yeah, and now we can start this new day feeling refreshed and motivated.
Couldn't agree more. Let's make today even better than yesterday.
Deal. Let's do our best and enjoy every little moment that comes our way.